He's got a rifle. He's got a rifle. Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer down! Officer down! Officer down!
I got lethal. Cover me, I got guns. I got lethal.
He's got a rifle. He's got a rifle. Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer down! Officer down! Officer down!
Fuck! He's got a gun here. A rifle. He's got a rifle. Let's go, fire!
Not long after.
Barron County 911, where is your emergency?
Hi, I'm actually just sitting here. I ended up pulling over because I saw a dog in the middle of the road, and then all of a sudden I see an officer down and a gentleman on the ground. Looks like he's bleeding from his leg and a rifle on his mouth as well.
Yeah, we got people on the way there, okay? Where exactly are you at?
327, we're on holy copy parts. Is he still on scene? 327, we have two officers down. He is set up with a rifle.
327, I'm disengaging, getting traffic out of here. Get out of here! Go!
Copy.
What's going on?
We have an officer involved shooting. Your officer was involved. We're not sure what the status is right now, but 608 and we know for sure 614 were down.
Well, hey, you need to come out.
I need to come out, huh?
You need to come out. Alright, what's up? Officer involved shooting two officers. Double F just south of, by the pole factory, okay? Alright, yeah, bye. Hey.
Hello?
Hey, we have officer involved shooting. We need you to come out.
Oh, okay.
They're double F just off the Cameron, Glenn Perry. A couple officers, so we need you to come on, okay?
Okay.
Thanks, bye.
We're requesting all detectives, please. Requesting all detectives.
Okay. Yeah. Come on, we got it. Ready? Okay. We're approaching. Yeah, we see it. All right, it's on his left. All right, I got, move the gun. I got lethal. Yep, I got lethal. Cover me, I got guns. I got lethal. Get this rifle.
Yep.
I got lethal.
You got that?
Yep.
Roll them.
With you?
Yep.
Yes.
We got 2 officers down. We got 195. That guy's also shot.
You guys do it. Close the car.
Hold on. Clear.
Clear. I got it.
No.
No.
Back's clear.
Front's clear.
Front's clear.
Got another rifle up front. And you're messed up.
That 50-year-old Glenn Perry had been civilly committed back in 2011. When that expired, his legal right to own firearms had been reinstated. But the day before he murdered 2 officers, a warning had gone out that his mental health had again declined. He'd made statements against law enforcement, saying even that the Creator, he said, had given him authority to defend himself at all costs.
The deaths of Officer Hunter Shield and Officer Emily Breidenbach has been tragic to say the least. In addition to changing the lives of their families and friends forever, this event has touched me, my department, local law enforcement, and law enforcement around the world. This unfortunate series of events, I understand the community is also grieving.
2 officers remembered and honored for how they lived and served.
From Emily dancing in the football stands to Hunter at National Night Out with kids playing in the squad. This is why we do what we do here in Barron County.
Thank the Division of Criminal Investigations. They arrived promptly. By Saturday evening, they were set up and began their investigation. The DCI investigation is going to take approximately 30 days. At which point they will be sending a report to my office, and then the district attorney's office will be preparing a report that will be made public after my review of the investigative report.
Shock has turned to grief, the reality of an immeasurable loss. 32-year-old Emily Breidenbach, a 5-year veteran of the Chetek Police Department, and 23-year-old Hunter Shield, one of only 3 full-time officers in the village of Cameron. According to investigators, they were shot and killed Sunday in a shootout after serving a warrant at a traffic stop.
As law enforcement officers from near and far gathered to mourn their fallen brother and sister.
It's devastated. Emily is a friend of mine. It's been a rough week for all of us.
And even many who had never met these officers are still grieving. Their hearts heavy, their souls weary.
You didn't know them, so what made you still want to come out here and support them today?
The uniform they wore, they protect me and everybody else.
I am calling to see if we can have a couple of your officers do a death notification for one of our officers. But they just specified death notification for their daughter Emily. Oh, now, dear Lord.